example shows how to assign properties to shell meshes of an airframe fuselage which was created by NX Ship Basic Design. Shell meshes were created using standard Simcenter 3D methods. A review of the three mesh collectors shows that no materials or thicknesses are assigned to them. However, faces have material and thickness attributes from design. Those attributes are used by ship mesh automation to create meshes with properties that match the basic design. An enhancement to version 2606 is the use of existing shell meshes in the ship mesh automation command. The meshes in this model are redistributed to new mesh collectors per basic design face attributes. Here, the result of ship mesh automation is no new meshes, but more than a dozen 2D mesh collectors. The meshes are color-coded according to mesh collector, thus you can see how they were distributed across these new collectors. A spot check of a few of the collectors shows the unique combination of material and thickness assigned to a collector's physical property tables, which were also created by the automation process. This enhancement increases meshing flexibility for the user by allowing them to use the full meshing capabilities in Simcenter 3D while also benefiting from efficient and accurate properties assignment capabilities brought from Ship Basic Design to the meshes of a CAE model.